Unlock the true power of typography in Canva and make your designs unforgettable. Let's dive into Canva and explore the incredible world of fonts first. Select the text box you want to modify. You'll see the font drop-down menu appear in the top toolbar. Canva offers a vast library of fonts. You can scroll through them or even filter by category. Consider the mood you want to convey. Serif fonts exude tradition and elegance, while sans serif are modern and clean. Script fonts add a personal and artistic touch. For this headline, let's go with a strong, modern sans serif font like Montserrat. Click on the font name to apply it. Now, for a subheading or a special quote, we can add a touch of personality. Let's try a beautiful script font. I like Great Vibes for its flowing elegance. Simply select your text and choose it from the drop-down. Crucially, adjust the font size to create a clear hierarchy. Make your main titles larger and more prominent. You can also play with font weight. Bold for impact, regular for readability. To create visual interest and convey brand identity, don't be afraid to combine fonts. A good rule of thumb is to pair a display font like our headline with a more readable body font. Try pairing a bold sans serif title with a simple serif font for the supporting text. Canva often suggests font pairings, which is a fantastic starting point. If not, look for fonts that complement each other, perhaps one sans serif and one serif, or a script font with a clean sans serif. Experimentation is key. Mix and match. See what resonates with your message and your audience. The right typography can elevate your design from good to truly exceptional, making your content more engaging and communicating your brand's unique voice.